Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're comparing two amazing portable Bluetooth speakers, the JBL PartyBox ENCORE and the ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. These two speakers offer a ton of features for those who love music on the go, but which one should you pick? I'm going to dive deep into the pros and cons of both so you can make the best choice for your needs. The sound test will be made with both speakers on max volume and the bass boost activated. If you like it and want to see the latest video, just feel free to like, share and subscribe StereoSpecs. After the sound test, I will tell you my honest opinion. Let's get started.
Kids, I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the ice covered in ink. Cross up the ice covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way? Why can't you just let me eat my way to glee? I live inside my own world. Inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe. But it's spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe. But that's alright. Hush. It's alright. Hush. content. Hold your breath and feel the tension. I wanna taste your content. Hold your breath and feel the tension. The devil's hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate. Devil's hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste.
So guys, after the sound test, first up let's talk about design and build quality. The JBL PartyBox ENCORE has the classy partybox look with a sleek futuristic vibe. It's a bit on the larger side, designed to bring life to any party. With a sturdy build, it's ready for indoor or outdoor use, but it's a bit heavier, weighing about 4.8 kilos. It has a built-in handle for easy carrying, tough, making it manageable despite its weight. Now, the ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus is much more compact and lightweight, tipping the scales at around 1.5 kilos. It's a much more portable option if you're looking for something that's easy to carry around and throw it in a bag or backpack. It also has an IPX4 waterproof rating, meaning it can be fully submerged in water. A great feature for beach days or pool parties. However, it's not quite as robust as the JBL, but it will definitely survive spills and light rain. So the pros and cons for the design: the JBL PartyBox ENCORE. The pros: premium build, impressive lighting effects, rugged for parties. The cons: heavier than the ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus and bulkier. And the ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. The pros: compact, lightweight, IPX4 waterproof. The cons: less durable build compared to the JBL. Now let's talk about sound quality, and this is really where these two differ. The JBL PartyBox ENCORE is designed for full-on party vibes. It delivers deep, punchy bass with crystal clear mids and highs. Thanks to its 100 watts power output, it's super loud, perfect for large gatherings or outdoor events. You also get dynamic lighting effects that sync with the beat, which really enhances the party experience. On the other hand, the ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus is a bit smaller, but don't let that fool you. It uses an enhanced bass technology, and its 18 watts power output delivers surprisingly rich and balanced sound for its size. The bass is solid, but not as intense as the JBL's. The mid-range is clear and the heights are decent, but it doesn't quite have that punchy sound pressure that the PartyBox can deliver. Now the pros and cons for sound. The JBL PartyBox ENCORE. Pros: the deep bass, clear mids and highs, perfect for parties with loud dynamic sound. Cons: maybe overkill for smaller spaces or quiet environments. The ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. The pros: solid bass and good overall sound for its size, more versatile for a range of environments. The cons: not as powerful or bass heavy as the JBL. Let's look at the features now. The JBL PartyBox ENCORE comes packed with party-centric features. It has RGB lights that can sync with your music, creating a visual experience to match the sound. You also get a microphone and guitar input, so you can literally become the star of the show. If you're throwing a karaoke or live music event, this is a big plus. It also has the Party Boost feature, which allows you to connect multiple JBL speakers for even more volume. The ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus might not have the same level of flash, but it offers some great features for its size. It also supports PartyCast, which is similar to JBL's Party Boost, allowing you to pair multiple ANKER speakers for even more sound. The Soundcore app allows you for further customization of sound settings, and you get equalizer adjustments to fine-tune your audio experience. It's a more stripped down but functional design. The pros and cons for features: the JBL PartyBox ENCORE. The pros: RGB lights, microphone guitar inputs, Party Boost for pairing multiple speakers. The cons: features are tailored mainly to parties, may not appeal to casual listeners. The ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. Pros: the PartyCast for speaker pairing, EQ adjustments, decent app for control. The cons: no lighting effects or microphone guitar inputs. The battery life is another crucial factor. The JBL PartyBox ENCORE comes with a 10-hour battery life, which is solid, but given its power output and volume, you may find yourself needing a recharge during long events. It's not the best for extended listening without access to power. On the flip side, the ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus offers a longer battery life of up 15 hours at moderate volume levels. It's a great option if you need something that'll last through a full day of music without needing to plug it in. Plus, it supports USB-C charging, which is faster and more convenient than older charging methods. The pros and cons for battery: the JBL PartyBox ENCORE. The pros: decent battery life for parties and events. The cons: battery life is shorter compared to the Soundcore, especially at high volumes. The ANKER Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. Pros: longer battery life, fast USB-C charging. The cons: may not last as long when playing at max volume. In terms of portability, the ANKER Soundcore Boom Plus is clearly the winner here. It's compact, lightweight and easy to transport, making it great for on-the-go listening or trips. You can easily toss it in your backpack or carry it around without a problem. While the JBL PartyBox ENCORE sounds incredible, it's not as easy to carry around. Its larger size and weight make it more of a stationary option, best suited for larger parties where portability isn't as important. The pros and cons for portability: JBL PartyBox ENCORE. The pros: great for larger events, durable and ready for big spaces. Cons: bulky and heavy, not ideal for frequent travel. The ANKER Soundcore Boom Plus. Pros: lightweight, easy to carry, highly portable. The cons: smaller sound, less suited for larger events. So guys, in conclusion, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a powerhouse speaker with massive sound, deep bass and party-ready features like lights and microphone inputs, the JBL PartyBox ENCORE is the way to go. It's perfect for large gatherings, outdoor events and serious music lovers. But if you want something more portable with excellent battery life and solid sound performance for smaller parties or casual listening, the ANKER Soundcore Boom Plus offers amazing value for its size. Let me know in the comments which one you think is better suited to your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons like this one. Thanks for watching, guys.